When I get home, I usually rest a bit, but then after that, I do around 20 minutes of climbing the stairs. Right now I'm just picking out some pajamas to put on after I take a shower. Then as I do my skincare, I like to listen to some music on SoundCloud or I watch some Netflix.
Grizz, Panda, and Ice Cube.
Ice Cube.
And Tom and Panda had met before.
How could I ever forget? Don't go be nagido head. Lately I got problems. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah. 누발을 막힌 그대 내 머릿속 사진 속에 끊임없이 falling. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah, yeah. Like 24/7 매일같이 3.
Then after doing my skincare, I'll fold some laundry.
Yeah, 모든 될 수 있었어 'cause you believed it. Let me pull up on Gintona right now. 하나, 둘, 셋 하면 얼어도 너 right now. Yeah, it's after 2 a.m. 지내줘 right now.
And then I'll clean other parts of my room. Right now I'm just cleaning my vanity desk. After cleaning my room, I move on to the kitchen. Snacking on almonds. Hopefully I don't eat too much. And I'm gonna start a new show. Jumping Girl. Is it good? I have no idea. But we're gonna watch, so let's go. I don't like this show already. After being on my laptop for a bit, I move on to my phone and just search social media for like 10 minutes.